Check it out, guys. 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis, all the way from Illinois. Clean. He's part of this club, the Panther OFC. As you guys can see right there, Merc. So find them on Instagram, follow them. If you guys like Grand Marquises and Crown Vics, they have a big fan club on there. They have a lot of cars. How big is your club?
We got like 2,000 people on Instagram.
2,000 people on Instagram and 5,000 on Facebook. So that's awesome. Well, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory converters on the top. Then we put two high flow converters on the bottom. And then we true dualed it. And we did something different on it. We put an H pipe. That's what he wanted. So he said, we got you. We built him a custom H pipe on it. As you guys can see, there's the two Cadillac converters. There's the H pipe. And then 2 1/4 continues. And then we put two vibrant resonators on it. Here they are. Part number 1790. One on this side, one on this side. There'll be a link in the description and also on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. All right. Then new tailpipes. As you guys can see, we're into 4-inch Marauder tips. There'll be a link in the description for them also. 4-inch by 18 rolled Marauder tips. Gives it that really sexy stance on the side, as you guys can see right there. And he's got custom lights on it, tail lights and front lights and a bunch of stuff. And there's all the old stuff that we cut off right there. That was on it. That's the midsection where wide in. That's the muffler and the two tailpipes. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. So follow him. What's the name of your Instagram?
Panther OCF. Like, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
All right. He's excited to hear it. Hopefully he likes it. That's deep. What do you think? You approve? All right. He likes it. Disturbing the peace, man. All the way from Illinois. There's sound decibels? 105. That sounds good. I like it. Let it idle. There's idle for you guys. So it's still here, even on idle. So just give it gas. Oh, it's gonna pop. Imagine when you put the tune on. It's insane. Go ahead and back it out. Look at that classic. The classic Nova. Just pulled up. Man, that sounds good. I like it. I like it a lot. Rev it! You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike, and that's our phone number. And we even work on Cintas trucks. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. Grand Marquis with vibrant and H pipe. True duals. With Marauder tips on the back. That sounds nice. I like it. Enjoy it, guys. All the way from Illinois. Came to Nashville just for that. We love it. Thank you guys for being great fans, guys. We really appreciate everything you guys do for us. And sharing is caring, so make sure you share these videos.